caught me with a mouth of tea. All right, all right, all right. Let's get into this. No intro, no asking you to subscribe and hit the bell. Let's just get you guys into making some money here. So here's what I want you guys to do or think about here. Come to Facebook and type in the search bar free shipping worldwide. Now, this is going to look like an e-commerce video where I tell you guys how to hack e-commerce and make a bunch of money, but that's not what it's going to be. So watch this whole video. Don't get impatient. So anyway, once you type that in the search bar, you're going to see a bunch of videos, right? So what you want to do is look for the most popular videos, the videos that are getting a lot of engagement, videos that are getting a lot of views, and a lot of shares. I'm just going to pick this one because it's at the top, right? So this is actually an advert. It's a Shopify ad, right? It's a Facebook ad for a Shopify store, I should say. So let me just click on the shop now, and it's going to take me to this Shopify store called Mysticalities. And here they're selling a crystal encased water bottle. Normally 80 bucks, now on sale for just $44.95. Now, you guys know this is you can probably find this on AliExpress as a wholesale source for probably a couple of bucks, maybe $4. I don't know. I'm not going to research it. I don't care because I'm not going into this business. What I want to teach you guys is how to take a different path. So here's what I'm showing you. I'm showing you how to research the stores that are making millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. All right? But I don't want you to do this. I don't want you to go into the e-commerce store. I mean, in a store situation, unless you want to. Here's what I really want to show you. The kind of thing that I do. The kind of thing that other guys will not show you. Check this. So here's Google Chrome. Now, there's an extension on Google Chrome called Intelligence, INTELLIGYNCE. And you can just install this on your Google Chrome browser. And what this will do is it will spy on all of the stores that are making billions and billions of dollars in e-commerce, right? So if I went to that other store, I forget what it was called, mysticwaterbottle.com, whatever it was called, the minute I went to their URL, a pop-up would come up here and say, do you want this to analyze the store? And I would say yes. And it would show me exactly how much money that store is making. It would show me all of their ads. It would show me everything so that I could duplicate it. So I'm not working in the dark. You know, don't reinvent the wheel. Look at what works and do that, right? So let's say that other Shopify store, that guy was making $8 million a year, just as a off-the-cuff thing, right? Well, if you can replicate what he's doing, you can get a certain percentage of that market share. So even if you only get a small percentage, you're still going to make several $100,000 a year. But again, I'm not telling you to come here and buy this software. What I'm telling you is I'm giving you a foundation, an outline for you to be able to make a demo video for this software. So I suggest you come to this page and you watch this video and you learn what this does. I'm not going to teach everything to you in this video. Here's what I am teaching you. Check this out. This is what I want you to do. I want you to come to the bottom of the page. See this thing right here? It says affiliates. You're going to click on that. And then when you click on that, you're going to get to this page where it says, hey, you can be an affiliate for this product, for this software. Now, that to me is where the money is. Because to me, this is what I do. I want to show you guys the real deal. I want to pull back the curtain and show you what people are doing to become millionaires. Not what they're telling you to do, but what they themselves are doing. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm showing you what I do. And this has made me a millionaire personally. So I'm showing you exactly the kind of thing that I do that has made me a millionaire. So again, when you see stuff like this, instead of being, when they discover gold in the hills, don't be the guy to go up in the hills panning for gold. Be the guy at the bottom of the hill selling the picks and shovels. So I can own this software company, right? Not really. What I can do is I can own a portion of it, and I don't have to do any work. I don't have to spend the hundreds of thousands of dollars to create this piece of software. I don't have to spend the tens of thousands of dollars to make this website. I don't have to spend any money to be a partner with this great product and this great company. All I need to do is come down here to the bottom of the page, click on affiliates, and apply to be an affiliate, and now I will be a partner. Once I get approved to promote this product, I will get a URL, a specific link that I can put out there on the internet in several different ways. And when people click on that link and buy the product, I make money. Now, some of you might think this is, oh, it sounds unethical. It's not ethical. That's bad. That's horrible. No, it's not. It's completely ethical, and I'll tell you why. Because what you're doing is, basically, there are millions of people out there that want to learn how to make money from home drop shipping. So what I would do as an affiliate marketer is I would make a demo video of this product, of this software, right? I would actually get my hands on a working copy, and I would make a demo video, and I would show it on YouTube. I would put it on Facebook. I would put it everywhere. I would run pay-per-click ads. I would do everything to put it out there. And what that's doing is it's helping all the people that do not know that this product can help them become a success. There are a lot of people that want to get into drop shipping, but they have no idea how to do it. So they take a wild shot at it, right? They pick a product that they like. Maybe they found something cheap on AliExpress, and they think that's going to make them money. So they just throw up some Facebook ads, and lo and behold, it's a loser, right? It's just fool's gold. But if you have a tool like this, there's no guessing. You know exactly how much you're going to make. You know exactly what's going to happen. This is gold to somebody who wants to get into drop shipping. So all I have to do is make a demo video of this as an affiliate, and then all I have to do is say, hey, go check it out. Click the link below. And then they come to this page, and this page does the selling for me. Now, that's not unethical, because them buying the product through my affiliate link does not cost them 1 penny extra. And they're not going to buy the product unless it's something that can help them. And furthermore, it has a money-back guarantee. So it's completely ethical. We're actually helping people to become self-empowered. So that's what I'm trying to teach you in this video, is to become, or to look at things a different way, right? Instead of coming to a page like this and, oh, this is interesting, always come to the bottom of the page and see if they have an affiliate program. And if they do, look into it and become an affiliate for this product. Because to me, this is so much easier than becoming a Shopify guy, right? Shopify, I used to be in e-commerce myself. And I'll tell you, it made me good money, and it was fun. I was selling Halloween products, and I sold pallets and pallets of Halloween products, but it was a lot of work. Being an affiliate marketer is easy. So just think of this actual product, right? And think of how many people want to learn how to make money drop shipping from home. 1 million of them. So all you need to do is put your information in front of those people. Where are those people? Well, you could run a search engine ad, a pay-per-click search engine ad, and depending on what this pays, right? What they're going to pay you is a recurring income based on what people buy, right? So if I tell people about this and they buy the $39 a month plan, the guy's probably going to pay me maybe $15 a month. And you might say, well, $15 a month, big deal, Kinghuman. Well, you get 1,000 people. That's $15,000 a month coming into your pocket every month on autopilot. If they buy the bigger packages, you're going to make even more. And that's recurring income that I could make doing no extra work. Basically, I make an advert, I run it once, and I'm making money every month from that. So this is where the real money is for me. And I'm showing you guys, I'm giving you the real deal. I'm showing you what I would do. Now, normally, I would make a demo video of this product, and then I would say, click the link below and come here and sign up and get this product. I'm not doing that. I'm not giving you an affiliate link. There's no affiliate link for you to click in this video. I want you guys to learn what I know so that you can do what I have done, which is I have gone, in case you haven't heard me, I've said it ad nauseum, but I have gone from being an overworked truck driver to being an independent millionaire, where I work when I want, I don't work when I want, I can do it from anywhere in the world. I've made thousands of dollars within 10 minutes, poolside at some of the best resorts. And I'll tell you, all I need is a laptop and an internet connection. I know you've heard this kind of stuff before, but really, this is where the gold is. Not in drop shipping, but in being an affiliate for software products like this. I mean, there's a million of them out there. So that's my advice to you guys. This is the best thing I can teach you. And unfortunately, I can't get into the real meat and potatoes of how to really make money with affiliate marketing, because there's a lot of different ways to do it. There's some really cool hacks. They're really easy. Look, here's my barometer on this. If I can do it, why can't you do it? Because I am an old guy who grew up before computers even existed, right? So I'm not a techie guy. And on top of that, I had no idea about affiliate marketing. I was a truck driver. But I learned this. Look, anything you do in life is a learned behavior. You learned it from somewhere. You weren't born with the knowledge. So don't tell me you can't become a millionaire doing this. You can. Anybody can. All right? Okay, that's my lecture. If you want to learn more, go to my website, thekinghumanelite.com. Here it is, thekinghumanelite.com. I'm not going to pitch it that much. I'm just going to tell you right now, I have a 7-day free trial, so you can come in here and you could get the advanced training on the exact kind of thing that I'm showing you in this video. There's also a bunch of done-for-you businesses in a box that you can slap your name on and sell as your own product. You can come in here for a 7-day free trial. You can download as many courses as you want for free. There are literally hundreds of them in here. You can download as many as you want for free. And then if you want to cancel before your 7 days is up, you won't be charged one penny. But I know that you're going to want to become a member and stay a member. 99% of my students do. The other thing you're going to get when you become a member of the KingHumanElite.com is you're going to get direct voicemail access to me, not an assistant, not somebody that does not know what they're talking about. You're going to be able to talk to me, and that's having direct access to a millionaire that can put you on track to making the kind of money that I make. All right, enough of my pitch. There it is. Do it, don't do it. It's your life. Live your best life. But at the very least, you should think about making a demo video of this product and putting it out there with your affiliate link, because there's money here. I mean, I should do this myself, but I don't want to step on your toes. I don't want to compete against you. So get on this, guys. Come here, check this. Again, it's intelligence.com, INTELIIGYNCE.com. Go to the bottom of the page, apply to be an affiliate, and boom goes the dynamite. All right, guys, maximum respect. Donate a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. Cheers!